Drago, super scientist. I've got these cheeky monster friends who love to hide from me. But when I'm buzzing with ideas, there's one I'm sure to see. Cheeky Monster Drago always helps me find out more. We question everything as our imaginations soar. "What does this do?" she says to me. "And why does this do that?" Now wind it up, away we go. Watch out! Oh no! Splat! So one time we were busy on a special rocket mission when Drago said, "We'll need help for a plan of this ambition." She knocked on my shed door. I couldn't believe what we then found. A science lab with cheeky monster scientists all around. Now listen very carefully, Cheeky Monster Gang. "We found the things we need," said Drago, opening up the plan. "Violet, you're cutting. Rocky, you're sticking. Spike, you'll paint the base. Glitter, we'll glitter. And then we'll launch our rocket into space." We got to work and soon the rocket started taking shape. Though Rocky did need help when he got stuck with sticky tape. Spike mixed up the colours and then painted with such flair. And Glitter added sparkle, spreading glitter everywhere. "Let's move outside. It's launch time," Drago said excitedly. We rolled the rocket out. Could it be ready? Finally! "One last thing," said Drago, adding water to the tank. And then we heaved it up onto the launch pad with a clank. "Stand back," Drago shouted. "Cheeky monsters, let's count down." Drago worked up the pump. The rocket made a roaring sound. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I really hoped that it would fly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wow! It launched into the sky. I gazed up at our rocket, whispering, "Drago, you're the best." And then we dreamt of stars that we might find on our space quest.
We're all Cheeky Monsters!
Thanks for watching, Cheeky Monsters. If you want to hear some more cheeky stories, then check out our page and click subscribe.